Today I'm going to show you how to create a dripping and splatter effect in Adobe Photoshop. The first step is go to File, and create a new document. Make the width 5903 pixels, the height 3935, the resolution 300 pixels, inch, the color mode RGB color, 8-bit, and the background contents, white. Then click Create, right-click on the background layer and convert to Smart Object. Click the FX icon and Gradient Overlay. Click the Gradient box. Open the Basics preset folder and choose the black and white. Double-click lower left color stop slider. In the color picker, I'll type in F, F, A, E, 0, 0. Then click OK on both windows. The blend mode, normal. The opacity, 85%. Check the reverse. The style, radial. The angle, 0 degree. And the scale, 150%. Click OK. When you're finished, go to File, Place Embedded, and place your model. Hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Go to Select, and Subject. Click Add Layer Mask icon. And then right-click and convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-T to select the free transform tool. Drag your model to a position you like. Then use these handles to resize it. When you're happy with your photo size and position, hit Enter or Return on the keyboard. Go back to File, Place Embedded, and place the dripping photo. Right-click inside the free transform box. And flip horizontal. Click and drag handles to resize and position the dripping photo. Hit Enter or Return once you're satisfied. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the dripping layer to make a selection. And then disable the layer. Go to Select, to invert selection. Select the model layer. Click Add Layer Mask icon. Open your brush tool, and brush picker. Choose the soft round brush. The opacity, 100%. And the flow, 100%. Select the layer mask of model layer. Click the foreground color, and make sure black, then click OK. Paint with black to erase the extras. Click the FX icon, and add drop shadow. The blend mode, multiply. The color, black. The opacity, 100%. Check the use global light. The angle, 90 degree. The distance, 7 pixel. And the size, 0 pixel. Then click OK. Select the layer 0. Create a new layer. Open the brush picker. Click the gear icon, and select Import Brushes. Then load the brush. Open the group, and select the splatter brush. Press left and right square bracket key to resize your brush quickly. Click the foreground color. In the color picker, choose red. Then click OK. Now, create the effect. And that's it. Hope you liked it.